Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video from Doplac.com. I'm Tanzil here, and today we'll have a look how you can create your first email campaign using Doplac.com email marketing tool. So without further delay, let's dive into the video and create your first email campaign.
So after signing into your Doplac account, click campaign under the email marketing, and this is the page where you will be taken to. You can find if you have any previously created email campaign, but I don't have any email campaign, so it's blank and it's asking me to create my first email campaign. So to create my first email campaign, just click create new campaign, and before launching your first email campaign, make sure your SMTP provider is connected to your Doplac account. If you don't know how to connect your SMTP provider to your Doplac account, I'm going to give a video to the I button. You can check it out, or I'm going to add it to the description, in the description below, so you can check it out, the video to connect your SMTP to your Doplac.com account. Okay, so as my SMTP is connected, so I'm not going to connect my SMTP at this moment. I'm going to choose my SMTP here, choose my from email, which email address my email campaign will send from. Okay, so from name here, I'm going to change it from Doplac. Okay, you can choose whatever from name you want. Then if you want to add any reply email, then you can add it here, but I don't need anymore at this moment any reply email, so that's why I'm not going to add any reply email. Choose your subject line. I'm going to choose this one, hello. Make sure you add your dynamic tag, because it's important. It increases your deliverability. How are you? Okay, just a random email. If you want to add any preview text, then you can add it, but I'm not going to add any preview text at this moment. Save and continue. Here it is. You have to choose your contact. I'm going to choose this contact list. If you can accept any contact or any specific tag from the list, you can accept it here, but I don't need to accept any lead from here. Here is the sending limit, the most important part. We'll suggest you to keep as low as possible, so it's allow you to increase your deliverability and land more in inbox. So we'll suggest you to keep it highest 20 per minute. So, but if you want to increase, you can increase it. It's depend on you. Okay, so here is a 2Z testing. If you want to test your email campaign, then you can test it here, but at this campaign, at this video, I'm not going to show you how to actually test, how to use our A2Z testing. I will upload another video for A2Z testing. So at this campaign, I'm gonna launch my first email campaign, then save and continue. This our email template library, so you can choose our pre-made email template to launch your campaign instantly, or you can edit it to add your brand bias. So I'm gonna choose an email template from here. I think this one will be better for me. Okay, and it will be land here. So to add your brand bias, it will be land on our email template builder. So at this moment, I'm not going to change anyone, but if you want to change anything, if you want to add your brand bias, then you can do it. I'm not going to change anything. So before you launch your email campaign, make sure your email campaign is working properly. So make it here, just send a test email. Click here to send a test email. Give your email address here, which email address you want to send your test email. Give your email address here and just click send test email. Then check into your email address, is everything working properly or not. But I'm not going to change. I'm not going to actually send a test email at this moment. I think everything is okay and it's working properly. Okay, that's it. Now just save and continue, and here it is. You can send it immediately. You can schedule it for later, but I'm not going to schedule it at this moment. I'm just gonna publish my email campaign from here now. You can save your email campaign as a draft. You can publish it immediately, schedule it for later, or if you forget to send your test email and when you are building your email template, you can send your test email from here. But I'm gonna send any test email. I'm just gonna publish my email campaign. So just click publish now. Save, sure to publish. Yes, save. And here it is, my email campaign is ready to go. So it's all for today. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any feedback or any question, just leave them in the comment below, and stay tuned for more informative video from Doplac.com. Till then, stay happy and healthy. Thank you for watching.